In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google One Storage to family. If you want to make your Google One Storage available to family members, the process is pretty straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the Google account that has the Google One plan you want to share. Start by going to the Google Families page in your web browser. This is where Google lets you create and manage a family group, which is required before you can share benefits like Google One Storage with others. Once the page loads, look over to the right-hand side and click on Create a Family Group. This sets up the shared family structure that Google uses for family services. If you haven't done this before, it only takes a moment, and it's the first important part of getting storage sharing working properly. After that, you'll be taken into your Google Family settings. On the left-hand side, click on Family. This section gives you access to the details of your family group and lets you manage who is included. From there, click on Send Invitations. This is the option that allows you to invite people to join your family group so they can eventually access shared Google One Storage benefits. Take your time here because only the people you invite and who accept will be added to the group. Next, type a name or email into the invitation field. As you do this, make sure you're entering the correct account information for the person you want to invite. It's a good idea to double check before moving on so the invitation goes to the right person. Once the person's information is entered, click Send. Google will then send out the invitation for your family group. At this point, your part of the setup is almost done. Now all that's left is to wait for your family members to accept the email invite. They'll need to open the invitation and confirm that they want to join the family group. Until they accept, they won't be part of the group, and the shared benefits won't apply to them yet. After they accept, your family group will be active, and your Google One Storage sharing setup will be in place through that family connection. If someone doesn't respond right away, you may need to give them a little time to check their email and complete the invite. And that's how to share Google One Storage with your family using Google's family group settings.